Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to deactivate a WhatsApp community. As WhatsApp continues to evolve, it's important to stay up to date with the latest features and processes. Today, we'll walk you through the steps to deactivate a community you've created but no longer need. First, open your WhatsApp app. You'll see the familiar green icon on your home screen. Tap it to launch the application. Once you're in WhatsApp, look at the bottom of your screen. You'll notice a Communities tab. It's usually represented by 3 overlapping circles. Go ahead and tap on that tab. Now, you'll see a list of all the communities you're part of. Find the one you want to deactivate and tap on it to open it up. In the top right corner of your screen, you'll see 3 vertical dots. This is the More Options menu. Tap on those dots, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Community Info. You're almost there. Scroll down through the community information until you reach the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll find an option that says Deactivate Community. Tap on this option. WhatsApp will ask you to confirm your decision. You'll see a big Deactivate button. Tap on it, and you'll be prompted one last time to make sure you want to go through with this action. Select Deactivate again to finalize the process. And there you have it. You've successfully deactivated your WhatsApp community. Remember, this action can't be undone, so make sure you really want to deactivate before you confirm. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.